Om Namah Shivaya.
Let's start this week's Tech Talk, starting with TECNO. TECNO is soon going to launch its TECNO CAMON 30 Premier 5G in India, and its few camera specifications are here. This smartphone will have 50 megapixel Sony IMX 890 main camera with OIS, along with 50 megapixel 3x 70mm periscope telephoto lens and 50 megapixel autofocus selfie snapper. Honor will soon launch its Honor 200 series smartphones, and its first look is here. VIVO is going to launch its VIVO Y200GT with 50 megapixel main camera on 20th of May in China. Samsung is going to launch its Samsung Galaxy F55 5G on 17th of May in India. iQOO will soon launch its iQOO Neo 9S Pro, and its expected specifications are here. This smartphone could have a 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, 2160Hz PWM full high frequency dimming, 8T LTPO flat display. It could be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus SoC. It could have maximum 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM with 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. It has self-developed Q1 chip. It could have 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel dual rear camera setup with 16 megapixel selfie snapper. It could have 5160 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging, 6 layers vacuum cooling, X-axis motor, infrared and NFC. Realme is soon going to launch its Realme GT 6T in India, and its landing page is now live on Amazon. Motorola is going to launch its Moto Edge 50 Fusion on 16th of May in India. MediaTek launched its MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor in China. MEIZU is going to launch its MEIZU 21 Note on 16th of May in China. Google launched its Google Pixel 8a in India. This smartphone has 6.1-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 2000 nits peak brightness, Gorilla Glass 3 protection OLED display. It is powered by Google Tensor G3 SoC. It has LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 3.1 storage. It has 64 megapixel main camera plus 13 megapixel ultra wide dual rear camera setup, 13 megapixel selfie snapper. It has 4492 mAh battery with 18 watt wired and wireless charging. It supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC. It runs on stock Android 14 operating system. It has Titan M2 security coprocessor, in-display fingerprint scanner, Google AI features, 7 years of pixel updates and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Google Pixel 8a is launched in two variants. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is Rs 52,999 and the price of 8GB 256GB variant is Rs 59,999. Apple launched its new iPad Pros and iPad Airs in India. iPad Pro is launched in two variants. The iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi variant is launched at price of Rs 99,900 and the Wi-Fi plus 5G variant is launched at price of Rs 1,19,900 and iPad Air Pro 13-inch Wi-Fi variant is launched at price of Rs 1,29,900 and Wi-Fi plus 5G is launched at price of Rs 1,49,900. iPad Air is also launched in two variants. iPad Air 11-inch Wi-Fi variant is launched at price of Rs 59,900 and Wi-Fi plus 5G variant is launched at price of Rs 74,900 and iPad Air 13-inch Wi-Fi variant is launched at price of Rs 79,900 and Wi-Fi plus 5G variant is launched at price of Rs 94,900. This is all in today's Tech Talk. I hope you like it. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and please remember to wear the mask.